Good morning, student. No, I am Dhayal sir, Department of Chemistry, Purnachandra Higher Secondary School. Now I teach you the second thing. Last class we learned about method of preparation of alkyl halide. Now the physical property and chemical property. That is property. I already told you property is two types. One is physical property. Second one is chemical properties. First, physical properties. First one is physical property. The basis of physical property, that is one is solubility. Density. Physical properties on the basis of solubility, boiling point, and another one is density. It is one mark question. Yes, solubility. Alkyl halide are polar, but slightly dissolved in water, but tends to dissolve in organic solvent. Solubility. Alkyl halide are polar but slightly dissolved in water, but tends to dissolve in organic solvent. That is completely dissolved in organic solvent. Another is boiling point. Boiling point, the order of boiling point, increasing order of boiling point. That is decreasing order, sorry. Ri, Rbr, Rcl, Ri. That is order of boiling point. That is order of boiling point. Boiling point decreases. Boiling point decreases. That are one more question. Question asking in the course exam. One more question. Boiling point. Boiling point decreases with branching. Boiling point decreases with branching. That is what is the cause that boiling point decreases with branching. Boiling point decreases with branching due to steric hindrance. One factor arises, that is you already know in the 11th class, steric factor. Steric factor. That is due to presence of bulky group. Due to presence of bulky group. ठीक है, boiling point, the order of boiling point. Here the boiling point decreases with branching due to steric factor and or due to presence of bulky group. Another is density. Alkyl halide have higher density than water. Density alkyl halide have higher density than water. Next we proceed the chemical properties. Next we proceed the chemical property. Chemical properties. Next one is chemical properties. Then I already told you that in the first class that not to memorize, just understand the basic concept. And my trick is I always teach in the organic chemistry by diagrammatically. That is called chemical properties of alkyl halide. First we know that what is chemical property. That alkyl halide is prepared when alkyl halide is prepared with another substance, and another substance which form the different type of species that we call properties. First one is alkyl halide. Properties of alkyl halide. First we write alkyl halide. Was KOH. LBCN. Chemical properties. Where alkyl halide reacts with certain substance. I also one thing I told you that chemical property in alkyl halide proceed through certain substance, or that is the basic point, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction. That is nucleophilic substitution reaction, elimination reaction, another with reaction with metal. I have told you that all the properties of alkyl halide start with nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here SN1 and SN2 reaction arises. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, another is elimination reaction, and another is reaction with metal. These are proceed through nucleophilic substitution reaction. When alkyl halide reacts with aqueous KOH, then alcohol is formed. When alkyl halide treated with aqueous KOH, then alcohol is formed. Similarly, when alkyl halide reaction with sodium iodide, then alkyl iodide is formed. This is also called Frankenstein reaction. I already told the previous class the Frankenstein reaction. Another, when alkyl halide reacts with sodium alkoxide, when alkyl halide reacts with sodium alkoxide, then ether is formed. This is called Williamson reaction for synthesis of ether. For synthesis of ether. For synthesis of ether. When alkyl halide reacts with sodium alkoxide, then ether is formed. This is called Williamson reaction. Similarly, when alkyl halide reacts with potassium cyanide, then alkyl cyanide is formed. When potassium cyanide reacts with silver cyanide, then alkyl isocyanide is formed. When alkyl halide reacts with KNO2, then nitrite is formed. When alkyl halide reacts with AgNO2, then RNO2 is formed. This is the most important part that question arises from this part. What are that is the basic and slight difference question arises in your exam. That is aqueous KOH ROH. Another one is in elimination reaction we can study when alkyl halide reacts with alcoholic KOH, then alkene is formed. Similarly, question arises when here the two basic difference cyanidation. You already emphasize that when alkyl halide reacts with KCl, then alkyl cyanide is formed. When alkyl halide reacts with silver cyanide, then alkyl isocyanide is formed. Here the LC is isocyanide. Similarly, when alkyl halide reacts with KNO2, then alkyl nitrite is formed. That is alkyl nitrite is formed. When alkyl halide reacts with AgNO2, then nitroalkane is formed. That's all. Nucleophilic substitution is completed. Then another one is elimination reaction. I can write this elimination reaction. I can also explain what is the difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction in the next class. And what is elimination reaction? Elimination reaction where alkyl halide treated with alcoholic KOH or alcoholic base, then alkene is formed, and diagrammatically CH2 alcoholic KOH, then alkene is formed. It is called elimination reaction. When alkyl halide treated with alcoholic KOH, then alkene is formed. It undergoes beta elimination. It proceeds through beta elimination reaction. I can also explain the mechanism of elimination reaction in the next SN1, SN2 reaction, and beta elimination in the next. Another one is reaction with metal. Alkyl halide treated with reaction with metal. When alkyl halide reacts with magnesium, then alkyl magnesium halide is formed. That is called Grignard's reagent is formed. Grignard's reagent is formed. Again I told that when alkyl halide reacts with magnesium, then R and DX, Grignard's reagent is formed. Magnesium just insert the bond between R and X. Similarly, when two molecules of alkyl halide reacts with sodium in presence of dry ether, then alkane is formed. This is called Urge reaction. This is called Urge reaction. In 11th, you also learn what is Urge reaction in the method of preparation of alkane. Now I repeat here chemical property, that is arises from three parts: the nucleophilic substitution reaction, elimination reaction, and reaction with metal. I repeat that when alkyl halide reacts with alcoholic KOH, then this form NaI, NaOH, KCl, AgCl, KNO2, this is the reagent or species when alkyl halide reacts. Another is elimination reaction when alkyl halide reacts with alcoholic KOH, then alkene is formed. It undergoes beta elimination reaction. In next reaction with metal. When alkyl halide reacts with magnesium, then R and DX is formed. R equal to any alkyl group and X equal to any halide. Another one is when alkyl halide reacts with sodium in presence of dry ether, then alkane is formed. That is called Urge reaction. In Urge reaction, symmetrical or even number of alkane are formed. Even number of alkane formed. Thank you.